Hello guys, i-flex ko lamang po yung aking lunch. Ito po yung aking lunch. Gayan po yung broccoli at saka chicken. Ayan po siya guys. Ito guys, ito po yung aking lunch guys. And then, ito rin po yung aking yogurt. Ganyan po ako kumain guys. May yogurt po ako. Ayan. Ayan na tayo guys. At saka, water lang po ako guys. Ito po yung aking water. Kain na tayo guys ha. Sarap to guys, may chicken. Ayan. Shout out kay Emily Sabado. Ayan, gagayahin na kita Emily. Magaya nga rin yung style ni Emily pag kumakain. Kain tayo guys. Thanks for watching. Follow me for more updates. Like and share. Bye!